Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to cook my super delicious version of garlic butter chicken. Join me to this cooking episode, so keep on watching. So guys, let's start by preheating our pan. Then, add 3 to 5 tablespoons of oil. I'm using olive oil in this recipe. We're going to saute the crushed garlic. I'm using 10 to 12 cloves of garlic depending on how many cloves in a bulb of garlic you have. Saute the garlic to low-medium heat and keep mixing so that the garlic will not burn. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes until it gets light golden brown. Let's add the chicken. You can use different chicken cuts in here. I use chicken breast in my recipe and I just cut it into smaller size. Cover the pan and let it simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, give it a mix so that the garlic will not burn. Now it's time to add our spices in this recipe that will make this dish super yummy and flavorful. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix well so that the chicken will absorb all the flavors. As you guys notice, I did not add any salt in here. I usually add salt in the end of the cooking process just to adjust the taste of the dish that I'm cooking. But it's up to you guys, you can add the salt anytime you want. When the chicken gets golden brown, add 5 tablespoons of butter. Let the butter melt completely so that the chicken will get soft, juicy, and flavorful. Continue mixing until the chicken cooked. After that, turn the chicken to cook the other side until it gets golden brown. Continue cooking on medium heat. Time to time, keep mixing so that the garlic will not stick in the pan. For another extra flavor, I'm adding 1/4 cup of all-purpose cream. And mix it to spread the flavors. cooking until the chicken absorbs all the flavors from the cream. Once the chicken cooks and gets perfectly golden brown, we can now remove it from the pan and ready to serve. And you can top it over a freshly cooked hot rice. This is yummy! Wow! And don't forget this garlic butter sauce. Guys, this is a best go-to dish. Very simple ingredients and you doesn't need to stay a long time to your kitchen to make this dish. Guys, if you like this recipe of mine, give me a thumbs up, share this video to your family and friends, leave me some comment down below, click that bell so that you're always updated every time I upload, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Life is beautiful, guys. Keep smiling. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!